I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Sony Bravia TV without the remote. Now, directly below the TV, I have this one button on here. Now, on the internet, it says some of the Sony TVs, you have to press and hold the power button and the volume down button, but I don't have no volume physical button. I just have one power button. So how I do it with this TV here is this. So first thing is go ahead and unplug the TV from the wall outlet. Okay, now I'm going to press and hold this button. I'm going to keep holding it. I'm going to plug this in and I'm going to wait till it says erasing on the screen here. Okay, so I'm going to press and hold right now. Ready? Press and hold. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug the TV back in. Now it's in. Now I'm just going to hold this. Now just wait. Just wait. You're going to see like lights turn on here. Still holding. Got to, I think, wait like 15 to 30 seconds. Just wait. Okay, there's a light there. The screen just turned on. It just blinked twice. I'm still holding here. Oh, now erase. Go ahead and let go. And now this whole factory reset is probably going to take about like 3 minutes or so. It's going to reboot the TV like twice. So just be patient here. And voila, we are in business. Now, if you want to set it up, you have to use your remote and it's automatically synced. If you don't have a remote, you got to go buy a replacement remote so you can set this back up. Pretty simple.